An architecture course in India has a duration of 5 years. When I was a student, an internship was a significant part of the architecture curriculum because we had an internship program for a whole year. This means 4 years of campus education plus 1 year of internship, making it a total duration of 5 years. In this video, I want to discuss two major documentation mistakes, or you can also label it as financial mistakes that I made as an architectural intern. At the same time, I think this will be relevant to any intern, irrespective of your background, and not necessarily just an architectural intern. And I'll explain at the end why it is important to avoid these kind of mistakes. Mistake number 1, not documenting my stipend. As an intern, I used to receive a monthly stipend from the organization. Since it wasn't a salary, the amount was small. The organization would issue me a check, and in my ignorance, I would encash it directly at the bank to get the money instantly. I avoided depositing the check into my bank account because I did not want to wait for the processing time. This was a mistake because there is no official record of the stipend I received throughout my internship. I didn't keep any documentation like photocopies or pictures either, which could have been helpful or useful for future reference. Mistake number 2, I did not file for an income tax return or ITR. Filing an ITR didn't even cross my mind because as interns, we often believe that stipends are too less of an amount to be taxed, and being a student exempt us from such liabilities. Now, I will elaborate why you should avoid these kind of mistakes. As an undergrad student, you might aspire to pursue further education at international universities. Therefore, avoiding these mistakes becomes crucial because paid internships are recognized as legit work experience by many international universities and institutions, while unpaid internships are doubtful or questionable. You definitely want to use this to your advantage, and hence you need proper documentation to support your claims. Bank statements or copies of your ITR can serve as a proof of your paid internship experience. I would recommend to file your ITR even with zero or negligible income because this builds your financial history and may help you during your visa application or loan application. This also reflects as a responsible and credible individual. Please note that tax-related conditions and requirements may differ depending on the country, and the advice regarding filing an ITR is purely based on my experience in India. So yeah, I hope I was able to add some perspective. With that, I would like to end the video. I thank you so much for your time.